Be sure to measure your media before printing. This is a 9 by 12 envelope. Unlock the side guides to properly fit your media. Be sure to lock down the guides once you match the media. Place the media on the feeder. Fan out these envelopes so the grips inside the Impressia can easily grab the media. Push the advance button on the side of the feeder to push the media to the printer. Now print your job. If your job is slightly off, readjust your belts and your side guides until it prints correctly. This envelope can also be run through the media tray. Place the media in the tray and adjust the guides. Now print your job.